Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. This is your girl Phoenix Alexander, back again with another I would say this is a style tutorial slash passion twist chat. Got real thrifty. You know, your girl's living on unlimited income, so I decided to do my own passion twist. And I've been wanting passion twists for a while, you guys. Since they came out, I just felt like it was such a cute boho chic style. And I was very surprised at how easy it is to recreate a passion twist style. Like, it's so easy. I personally don't feel like anybody should pay for it. $200 is a lot of money for a protective style. I personally wouldn't put this in a protective style category due to a couple reasons we're gonna get into in a minute. But it is a very cute style where you can tuck your hair away, I would say, for a couple of weeks. Is it worth $200? It's not. It's not. Is it worth 4 or 5 hours of your time? Yeah, it is. It is. So what I did was I went on to Amazon and I purchased my water wave hair from a company on Amazon, and they had 7 packs of 24-inch hair for like $29 or $35. I know I didn't spend over $35 for it, so I was very impressed with that. My package did run behind a day or two, so I would say keep that in mind if you're ordering the hair and you are scheduling an appointment. You are paying somebody for this, even though I said don't pay nobody for this. But if you already set up your appointment, or it's your cousin. If it's your cousin Anita and she's doing it for like $75, don't give Anita her money. She might need that for weed, wine, weed, possibly weed. So give Anita her money. But we're not gonna pay Anita $200 for this. No, this is like binge watching all the available episodes of The Boys while your hands are doing this. I'm not paying for that. But yeah, right? Y'all stay tuned. I have rambled long enough. Y'all stay tuned. I have clips that'll show you how I did my passion twist. I'll do another video showing you how I remove them, I guess, and the whole process for that. Probably in a few weeks. We'll just see how this goes. Checking me out. Stay tuned for the rest of the video so you can see. We're gonna roll the clip, roll the clip, roll the clip. I can't even do it, y'all. I'm sick. I'm tired. I'm sick and tired of being sick and tired. Where is my damn vaccine? Oh, the president. Oh, he got me all upset, y'all. I just want to be seen. I just want to be seen. I did all of this look, and I just don't feel like Instagram is really gonna appreciate how much work went into this. Not enough of y'all follow me on there for me to feel like you appreciate the work that has went into this look that only you, my mailman, and my creepy old man neighbor who likes to smile way too much is gonna see. Hope nobody tells them about this video, because then it's gonna get real awkward in the cul-de-sac. But yeah, where's my damn vaccine? I need to go out without a mask, without fear of dying, so that people can see. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hey guys, so I'm doing my passion twist for the first time. I think they're coming out pretty good. And these are really long. I'm gonna show you once I get done, but I kind of wanted to show you guys my process and how I'm doing it. I know I don't have no eyebrows in real life, but don't judge me. Alright, so I got this hair from Amazon, and I guess it's easy to work with. I really don't know because I've never used it before, you know, so I don't have an example. But I got the 24-inch water wave and a 1B27. And this is what the hair looks like. And it's really nice. It actually came with a crochet hook and a couple of the little braid cuff thing. They had gold and they had some silver. So far, let me show you what I'm working with. I don't even know what mine looks like, to be honest. But that's what I have so far. And so I just have this top section left, and I figured that would be easier to show you guys. Some of these parts are like huge, but I started getting a little smaller towards the top. But yeah, so this is just a piece that I had already started pre-weaving. Sorry y'all, I'm whispering, it's late. And you know, don't want to wake up my boyfriend if I can help it. I want to hear his mouth. So it comes pre-looped on this little hook, and you have your strands here. I want to say this came with 15, but I really wasn't paying attention because this was my first time. I didn't know what to look for. So now in the future, I know what to look for. So you're just going to cut this little string. And for my twist, I have been using 2 of these strands. So they already come like coiled like this. And I just open up the loop so that way I can get the full length of the hair. So this is the bottom with the 27, and then the top it's, you know, kind of mixed in there. And then I have the other one, so same for this side. I just separate it so that is, you know, one open strand. Okay, so I'm actually going to crisscross this in the middle. So I literally just laid, you know, one strand on another strand, and I'm gonna pull those together like that. So it's just the 2 strands. I know if you want your twist to be like, you know, big and fluffy, you would separate this further. So the more you fluff the hair out, the fluffier your twists are gonna be. But I just wanted mine long and lightweight. I didn't really want them to be big and fluffy. So I'm just gonna set this aside as well. And this is the gel I'm using. I meant to get the regular Less Jam. It's like a pomade or whatever, but I ordered this off Amazon and I wasn't really paying attention and didn't realize it was like a wet gel. And so it's just a regular wet gel consistency. And I put some on my hair. And I am natural, but my hair just doesn't really have very much life or texture to it. Like my baby hairs aren't straight, but everything else pretty much is, which is stupid. So this is my natural hair piece or whatever. And then I have our pieces that we did together. And when I did it at the bottom, I staggered it a little bit to where the pieces were a bit longer. Like I stretched it out just to make them a little bit longer. But now that I'm at the top, I'm just trying to layer it a little bit. So let me get my camera closer. Hi, so you can see all in my grill. So basically I'm doing this just like a braid, using the fake hair as like the 2 sides of a 3-sided braid. And I'm just braiding this down. And you want to get like as close to the scalp as you can. I don't know how you guys can see that. I hope you guys can see that. And it's not dandruff. I had my hair in like 2 space buns yesterday. So I had some product in there and I didn't want to wash it all out just to do this. So at this point the braid is more than long enough. So I take this piece of my natural hair and do like a little twist on the braiding hair. I don't know how everybody else does it, but that's just the way that I decided to do it. And then I start twisting. And like I'm twisting the hair in my hand as I'm twisting it around to the other side. Once again, I don't know if that is the correct technique. I just found that it gave me the look that I was looking for, so that's what I'm doing. And you're literally just gonna do that all the way down the hair. And I like to do mine all the way to the bottom. I'm in here watching, I like to watch video game Let's Plays. And my favorite is this girl named Gab Smothers. I don't know if you guys watch her too. But she was just playing Zelda. So like one of my videos, you might have heard it in the background, me watching her play Zelda. And then on this video, I'm watching her play Mario 64. And it's literally like a 2-hour video, so. Make it look crazy. But every once in a while, I'm putting a little bit of gel on the fingertips. And just twisting. And I wanted these long, so, and they are long. I just didn't want to have to pay over $200 for this. So being broke is a great motivator to learn yourself a new skill. And so you can see up close what I'm doing. I'm literally just twisting this down till the end. Alright, and this is done. This is what our finished twist looks like. And it's good. Stand up so you guys can see. These come down to the hip. And in the back, they come down to my leg.